Hello, my name is Lian Guzman. I'm a student from BSIT 1, Malolos campus, and this is configuring network server using VMware. First thing na need natin gawin is provide yung computer information in both computers sa server and sa Windows OS mismo. So, ano natin gagawin is check the time zone dito. Check natin, dapat magkamukha sila. Ang gagawin natin is Beijing, Hong Kong. Apply, okay, 703. Dito din, same thing. Beijing, okay. Next, configure networking. Dapat yung IP nila and IPv4 ay magkamukha. 168.101.1 192.168.101.1. Gagamitin nating DNS server is yung IP address din ng server natin mismo. Okay, close that. So dito na naman the same thing, open local area network properties, close this. Properties niyan is the following: 192.168.101.101. Just 2. Gawin natin dito is 192.168.101 then 1. Okay. Next is yung name. Papalitan natin siya, no? Name niya. We'll name this one server. Okay. Hindi niya mag-restart para mapalitan. Same with this. Punta tayo sa computer. Properties, change settings, change current client. Hindi natin muna babaguhin yung work report domain kasi mamaya na yan pag meron na tayong role sa server natin. Just press okay, close that, restart now. Restart this one as well. Now we wait. Alright, so ngayon na-restart na both computers natin sa using VMware. Gagawin naman natin is make sure dapat pareho silang accessible through network. Since ngayon naman magkamukha na sila ng network, hindi na natin sila gawing available para makita yung isa't isa. Turn on network. Yes. Then same with this one. Punta tayo sa computer, go to network, then turn on network discovery and file sharing. Yes. There we go. Next is to add roles dito sa ating server. To do that, punta tayo sa add roles. Ang una nating add na role is ADDS, which is this one. This one right here. Active domain, directory domain services. Add required features. Next. Just install this one. Wait for it. And then, after na ma-install natin to, i-configure naman natin to. Okay, now it's done na. Dito naman natin gawin is ngayon, configure natin by going to DC promo. Right here, DC promo. By doing this, may install naman yung DNS na server para sa ating PC. Sa server. So next, create a new domain in a new forest. Next. Oh yeah, make sure na naka-administrative yung user nyo. So to do that, you just have to go to the start menu, switch user, log on, administrator. Let's put a new password here. So I'm gonna use password. There we go. Password has been changed. Now, administrator na tayo. We should be able to do it na. Go to the same place, DC promo. Do the same thing as I did. Next. Create a new domain in a new forest. Next. And yung in-name natin sa domain natin. I'm gonna name my domain meow.mew.cat. Because why not? It's cute. Next. And just wait for the domain to get downloaded and to get installed. Pipili tayo dito, Windows Server 2008, since yun yung OS na gamit natin sa server natin. Next, just keep on clicking next. DNS server. Ito, mag-i-install na siya ng sariling DNS server. Just just keep on clicking next. Yes. Next. Yung password na ilalagay natin dito. Ilalagay natin password. And just click on next. Wait for the DNS to finish installing. And finish na siya. Let's go back. Then we can choose whether we want to restart now. Do not restart now. We click restart now for this one. While this the client PC is restarting, pumunta muna tayo sa kabila nating PC to change the setting naman para sa remote control, remote desktop network connection. So punta tayo sa system properties, advanced system setting, remote, and allow connections from computer running any versions of remote desktop. Apply. After that, you're pretty much all set na for this one. Just wait para makapag-connect na tayo dito sa isa't isa na to. So, ayan, nakapag-restart na yung server natin. Next na role naman natin na i-add is DHCP server, this one right here. This will let us put mga limit and scope para sa ating IP address na ibibigay ng server natin. So, ito yung parent domain natin. And validate na ito. Lalagay natin dito yung IP address ng server natin. Validated. Valid. So, next tayo. Next. Add dito yung scope natin lalagay. Yung starting address na pwedeng ipamigay na itong server natin, which is gonna be 192.168.102. That was 1, 2, and then 199. And next. Disable DHCP v6 kasi di naman tayo gagamit IPv6. And then use current credentials. Next, then install it and wait for it to install. Ayan, even though sinabi na one error or install succeed with errors, it should be just fine as long as na-install na siya. Kasi mamaya pa natin ayusin yan. So ngayon, close natin to. And ngayon, add natin yung two remaining rows natin na need i-add, which is the file and print services. This one right here, file services and print and document services. Next. Print services, ito. Next natin. Next. Then file server, resource manager. Pipili tayo dito na pwede nating magkakaroon tayo ng access to sa computer na or server na to. So next that. Yung storage reports natin na pwedeng ilagay. Guys, let's put it dito sa ating local disk. And next, let's install it. That should be just fine. Wait for it to install. And there you go. Meron na tayo ng DHCP server, DNS server, ADTS services, file services, print and document services sa ating server. Ayan, with all the services na need natin ilagay dito, ang need naman natin ngayon gawin is to configure yung DNS server natin or yung domain. So first, ang gagawin natin is muna tayo administrative tools, DNS server, reverse lookup zones, and then new zone. Lalagay natin dito primary zones. Next, IPv4 reverse lookup zone 192.168.101. Next, finish. Then dito maglalagay tayo ng pointer, new pointer 101.1. Ito yung host IP address natin. Just browse server, all records, forward look, mu same as the start of A. Okay, and okay. Then another one, gagawa pa tayo ng sa reverse lookup zone, new zone. Next, same thing sa IPv4. Pero dito gagawin natin is 127.0.0 then next, finish again. And that should be it for this one. And then siya, same lang din. New pointer 1271, then server, do the same thing. All records same. Okay. Ngayon, so if we do, punta tayo sa command prompt and lookup tayo. Ito na makikita natin, default server tsaka address. During all that, yung mapapalitan yung IPv4 nung sa property natin sa DNS server. So gagawin natin, papalitan lang ulit natin dito sa nilagay natin kanina, 168.101.1. Okay. So, ngayon napalitan natin yung DNS server nito. All that's left to do, among other things, many other things, is punta tayo sa administrative tools, Active Directory users and computers. Dito makakagawa tayo ng organizational unit, makakapagkaroon ng access para makakonect sa server natin. So first, dito tayo sa cat, right click natin to, new, and punta tayo sa organizational units. Dito pwede tayo maglagay ng pangalan. I'm gonna put the name clients here. Dito pwede tayo maglagay ng sarili nating mga user. Like, punta tayo dito, user, dito pwede tayo maglagay dito, client 1, and then client 1, pwede natin lagyan ng password never expires. Then, yeah, kinalagay natin pangalan. And if gusto natin maglagay dito ng admin na na user, punta na tayo sa users, administrator, copy natin to. Nilagay natin dito is admin. Tapos dito admin. Yun lang nilalagay natin dito. Next, password never expires. Ganun din. Then just copy yung admin na to, or just drag it to clients right here. Yes. And ngayon, as you can see, dalawa na yung pwedeng mag-connect dito sa ating server na to. The admin one, tsaka yung client. Ngayon, na meron na tayong na mga accounts na pwedeng pag-loginan para makapasok dito sa domain natin. Ang gagawin naman natin ngayon is magagawa tayo ng space para dito sa ating mga client natin. Ito. So, pupunta tayo sa disk management. Dito na, gagawa tayo dito na pwede nating mapagsamahan ng different files ng ating computers and yung mga client natin. So, dito, shrink volume. Pipili tayo yung gano'ng kalaki natin gustong i-shrink. So, ito gagawin ko. Gagawa tayo ng 20 GB lang yung i-shrink natin since 40. Hatiin natin itong drive natin. Unallocated. New simple volume. Next. Gawin natin E. Pangalan natin dito is redirection. Yeah. Next. Quick format lang tayo so mabilis. Next, and as you can see here, pwede na tayo maglagay dito sa redirection E natin. Alright, ngayon naman, next nating pupuntahan is the group policy management para makapili tayo ng mga authenticated users na pwede ding pumunta sa client natin or sa server natin na dun sa ginawa nating folder magkakaroon ng access. And ano yung mga access natin? Muna tayo sa domains, cat, yung clients na ginawa ko kanina. Create a GPO on this domain. Clients policy, yun lang nalagay natin. Okay, tapos ito, enforce na, right click this and to enforce it, and then edit. Muna tayo sa policies, windows, then folder redirection, desktop, right click natin yan, properties tayo, settings, basic, piliin natin to, redirected everyone's folder to the same location. Yung root path natin, ito lalagay natin, since yun nyo kanina, settings, tingnan natin yan, uncheck that, both of those, apply, then okay, there you go. Ngayon lahat ng magkakaroon ng access dito, lahat ng nasa server natin magkakaroon ng access dito sa yung mga desktop na magkakaroon ng access sa folder redirection natin ginawa. Ngayon na naggawa na tayo ng bagong client policy sa group policy natin, punta tayo dito sa GP update, search na sa start menu, just enter para ma-update yung policy natin ginawa and ma-enforce siya dun sa ating mga nakakonect sa atin. User policy update is completed successfully. There you go. There you have it. Ngayon, most of the things we need to do now is set and done sa server natin. Ngayon naman, i-connect natin sa client natin dun sa domain natin ginawa sa server. So to do that, muna tayo sa computer. Properties, change settings, change yung domain name, which is going to be meow.mu.cat. Okay, tapos yung ginawa nating mga possible na pwedeng sumali doon sa Active Directory users and computers. Ginawa ko dito is gumawa ko ng admin na merong administrative capabilities, and so yun yung gagamitin para makapag-login dito. Okay, now it's gonna need to restart it para makapag-join na tayo fully. And ito yung name kayo na admins, tapos nilagyan ko ng password. So now we'll wait para makapag-restart tong PC natin. Ngayong successfully na nakapag-restart yung PC natin, yung client natin, pwede tayo mag-choose whether we want to log in as a client sa server natin or maglagay tayo dito ng admin para makapagpasok tayo as an administrative sa server natin. And of course, pipili ako sa admin para magkaroon ako ng mga access to other things dito sa PC. Okay, ngayon na same domain na siya and everything, papasok tayo as naman tayo ngayon, remote desktop connection. So, ang gagawin natin dito is to put yung name or IP address nitong PC natin na kukonectan. So, it's gonna be 192.168.101.2 and username natin is gonna be admin. Then, dito pwede tayong magpili what kind of connection we want para sa isa't isa. So, desktop remote desktop connection. So connect lang na to and we wait. It's gonna ask for the credentials dito sa PC na to. Naka-log on tayo. Now, meron na tayong access dito or na remote desktop control na natin tong PC na to using yung server natin. And now we can add stuff here like and then like brown fat cat. And once we log off here, para malalabas na siya dito. And if we do that, we just click log off. And dito tayo mag-log on by pressing Ctrl Alt Delete.
Make your cancel.
Can now log on like so. Then makikita na dito yung and brown fat cat na ginawa natin. So that's it for the remote desktop control or connection. So ngayon naman, last part ng task natin is to backup yung mga nakalagay natin dito sa client mo natin. So to do that, pupunta tayo sa OOPE or sa initial configuration task, add features, and hanapin natin dito yung Windows Server Backup features. This one, and install this one. And once we do have it installed, magkakaroon siya ng access by going to start menu. Search natin yung backup dito, Windows Server Backup right here. And we can choose here whether we want to backup schedule or just back it up once. So pipiliin natin is backup once. And next, we go custom since isang part lang naman yung babackupin natin. Add items, itong redirection na to. Okay. The next, remote shared folder. Next, location would be your server redirection folder. And next, yung backup natin tong buong ito. Just like so. And there we go. Completed na siya. Na-backup na siya. Now, in the event of like something gets deleted from here, like so, if we go dito and recover natin siya, next, pili tayo kung kailan to. So, ito yung latest nating backup. Next tayo. Files and folders. Punta tayo dito sa server. Redirection, server redirection folder, then desktop. This one right here. Next natin. Another location. Lagay natin dito yung server redirection folder, or pwede tayong punta yung same directory natin kanina. So, computer, redirection, admin, and then desktop right here. Okay, then next, then recover. And once we do recover it, lalabas na siya dito. There you go, it's back. And that's it for the post task natin sa M2. My name is Lian Guzman. I am from a student from BSIT 1. Thank you for watching.